And so let's just take that idea, that thought, that goal of becoming aware into a time of meditation. And so right here, right now, right where we are in this now moment, we take this opportunity to center ourselves in the inner awareness of the presence of peace, the presence of spirit, the presence of light and of love that we are. Knowing in this moment that thoughts of other things may enter into our minds, worries, concerns, doubts, a to-do list. But knowing that even in this moment, we gently turn away from those outer worries and concerns, and instead focus our energy and our attention on the awareness of Spirit's goodness within ourselves. On an awareness of our ability to share that goodness with our world. On the awareness that as we share that goodness with our world, that it returns to us as kindness, as gentleness, as grace. And so here and now, in this moment, we consciously sit in that cycle of giving and receiving the goodness that we are. And we allow our awareness of that goodness to grow as we move into the stillness, as we move into the quiet, as we move into the silence. And as our attention begins to return to this time and this place, we carry with us that continued awareness of the power, the presence, the peace of Spirit. Knowing that as we leave this time of conscious focus on the light that we are, that our awareness continues to grow throughout the day. And so we joyfully enter the next phase of this day, our next activity, our next experience, with hearts, with minds, with souls wide open, ready to be, ready to receive, ready to express the goodness that we are. And so it is that we are grateful for this time. And so we say, thank you, Spirit. And so it is. Amen.